Okay, so next we move to a case of running fix with current. So again, same initial bearing is 290 at 0640, and the ship is moving at 010 at 6 knots for half an hour. So we cut an arc of 3 miles because the next final bearing is at 0710.
तो
But
ब्रेक बोल
now
दीजिए सर.
in this case we had what you call final bearing at 0710, that is after half an hour, and we had set and drift 030 into 1 knot. So from, if the ship was moving like this, the current by allowing method we put at the final, and this was course to steer, and we put the set and drift at 030 for at 1 knot. That means we our half an hour it will be half mile. So we cut an arc of half mile, and this will be our actual estimated position. Now, again, same thing, we will transfer the initial position line, but we will transfer it from this estimated position. So let's transfer this position line. So final PL is same as 260, and initial position line we have transferred from this estimated position, that is after the set and current. So
तो
whatever,
वो
wherever
सर.
wherever this will so uh, once the ship reaches this estimated position 2, from there we go, and the line is cutting here. So this was the course to steer 010 for 6 knots. Then we applied set, that is 030 for 1 at 1 knot, and we got the course made good, which is this one. Suppose this is 035 030 or something like that. So now if you can see our actual course made good is changed because of this current. So if you want the actual initial position and actual final position, so what we do, we draw a line which is so this is our actual estimated EP1 of position, and we will transfer the course made good, because so this course made good is parallel to this line, whatever course made good we got here, and we will transfer it parallelly or draw it backwards from here, and this is our position for 0640, the initial position, and the distance made good we can measure here, that is for half an hour, and we multiply it by 2 because it is for half an hour, we'll get the speed made good.